Hey guys, coming at you with a new video. Got a new basement underway. We bought this house about a month and a half ago, so kind of want to document the process a bit more than the last one and bring you guys along for the ride. Hopefully you guys can get some ideas for your basements, and maybe I can get some ideas from you guys through the comments as well. So with that said, let's go check it out. So coming down into the basement, this basement's about 1,500 square feet, so quite a bit bigger than the last one. Got some nice natural light coming in down the stairs. Cut in a hole here at the bottom of the stairs. Gonna do like a display cabinet, you know, with some lighting recessed into it. All the flooring was here. This basement was actually finished, so I ripped out all these ceilings. I want to insulate and like soundproof, fireproof. Run a bunch of wires. I've already put in these pot lights and stuff, so that was the method to my madness there. So we got a little sitting area here. 2 TVs happening. This cabinet, the seller's just left here, so I'm kind of utilizing those for now, but eventually I'll build all custom ones myself. Yeah, this TV here I just hung yesterday. Very temporary, clearly, and the wires hanging everywhere. Don't turn on that fireplace, might melt the cord. Anyways, we'll do some stonework here. I want to do a nice mantle here. I'll probably move that switch to that wall or something, get it out of the way. Yeah, this is kind of the view from here. They had kind of a ridiculous wall here, as you can see in the floor. I don't know how I'm going to match that floor, but I'll have to figure something out. I took out that wall, opened it up, made it way better. I don't know why that was there in the first place. It was kind of ridiculous, to be honest. Washroom here. This washroom needs a gut job. I wouldn't use that shower. Definitely not without sandals. Probably get athlete's foot or something. I don't know. I mean, look at the toilet, for crying out loud. There's a freaking zip tie to flush the thing. And the sink leaks. So, you know. There is a washroom upstairs that needs to be gutted anyway. So this ceiling I'm just going to probably take right out. Redo the plumbing for up there. So relocate a couple things or whatever. So I might have to live with this one for another year or so. I got a spare bedroom here. Egress window, kind of just a guest room, as you can see, be our guest. Pretty much a catch-all for all our stuff. Just moved in, like I said, not too long ago. Eventually I want to build a wall right along here, so that'll actually be closet for the room, and I'll probably do another display case right here. And that's the new entrance for the washroom there, as you can see. Got to get rid of that wire in the wall. Don't know where it comes from, don't know where it goes, but we'll get rid of it somehow. Coming into here, this is just you know, pretty much a storage room. All kinds of plumbing issues. This waste ejector pump just burnt out on me. This is like a cold cellar here. I'll probably build like floor to ceiling shelving on both sides. Quite a bit of storage in here, really. No switch in here yet, you know, just twist the bulb and there's your light. You know, shady, but it works. Yeah, probably just storage for tools, that kind of thing. Little workbench here, so it's handy for now while I'm doing renos down here. So this bar I kind of framed up. It's not done yet. I ran out of wood, but you guys get the idea. There'll be like a plug here. Charge your phone while you're sitting here. There's one in the middle there. One on this side. So everywhere you sit, you have juice. Kind of wanted to frame in these columns. I had these columns to work around, and very low ceilings down here. So like this bulkhead is about 6'1". I'm 6 foot, so I scrape the hair along the ceiling when I walk under it. But that's kind of why I wanted to build the bar underneath it, so that you're kind of sitting underneath it instead of walking underneath it. Yeah, I think maybe we'll do like stone going right up these columns, and then I'm not sure, maybe shiplap or something for the rest of the bar. This I'm gonna do, there's gonna be like a little wine rack in here, and on the other end of the bar I'll probably do maybe like some storage for glasses, that kind of thing. There's a switch on either end. One will be for the pot lights that I've put in above here, and one will be, I'm gonna do like under mount lights on the bar. So there's that. Actually, this bar, I've built a little footrest here too. So It's built for my body. Hopefully it works for other people too, but this is custom for me. So. Yeah, got power here too. These two. I'm gonna run HDMI cords, so you'll have HDMI plugins, one on each side, each column. So one to each TV probably. That way, same program, different programs, or different sporting events, whatnot, we can fire up here. Yeah, I'll probably do like a walnut top. It's two-tiered, so the top bar will probably overhang like an inch here, and probably like 3 or 4 inches on this side. That should be pretty neat. Ran a conduit for power, a little overkill for residential. I mean, I work in the commercial side, so that's how we roll. Yeah, I'll pull in all my circuits, make our joints here, do a hidden access panel there, and away we go there for power. And then got like a little poker table, sitting area, card game, whatever, that kind of idea here. This table, my wife refinished it. It's pretty nice. This pulls out too, so you can fit quite a few people at this table. There's this room here, this back room. I originally wanted to do a golf simulator, which would have been totally awesome. I've kind of framed up here to do like a cabinet. Probably be a separate video. This room I got some good plans in, but the ceiling height was really the limiting factor for the golf simulator. I know I can dig down and underpin and whatnot, but you know, then we're getting into some serious money happening there, so don't think I'll do it at this one. Got the bar fridge there. I'm gonna cut that in, utilize the space under the stairs here, and I kind of cut it in here, lift the fridge up off the ground so I'm not crawling on my knees to grab a beer anymore. Be a little more convenient. And then yeah, still a bit of storage under there, that kind of thing. And coming into this room, not sure what to do with this room yet, so if you guys have any ideas, leave a comment. Maybe I can get some ideas from you guys on how to finish it. We do have a kid on the way, so maybe we'll make this into like an epic playroom or something. But yeah, this room was all finished. They had carpet in here. We ripped that out, and they had cats, and it smelled like cat piss. It was horrendous. Yeah, there's all our moving boxes. So this is just like a furnace room. Need a new sump pump too. All kinds of plumbing issues so far that we've ran into. I'm gonna put a 100 amp panel here. There's a 200 amp in the garage, so this will be a wall eventually. I'll put a panel right here. And there's my conduits coming in. That one's for the bar. Got another conduit there for, that's for the main TV cabinet. So I'll pull all my circuits in there as well. Then we'll need to get our feeders out through here. Like we had a huge plumbing issue here. Our sink wouldn't leak. The dishwasher is backing up into the sink, so we had to cut the pipe here, and what a stench. Worse than the cat piss. Like, you can see all the drips. Gotta clean all that up. It's pretty brutal. It was nasty, but so yeah, for our feeders, we're gonna come through here. I'm gonna have to probably cut a couple holes in the ceiling. Bring our pipe here, 90, and then the garage is just on the other side of this wall, so that's where I'll get the power from the 200 amp to the 100 amp. And eventually I want to bring another 30 amp sub panel out to, there's like a little bunkie or shed out there. It's actually a pretty good size. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I want to do a 30 there, and then eventually I want to build a workshop or like another garage way over there. So I'll bring a 60 amp from that panel to feed that garage. So kind of planning ahead here. But yeah, so here's the view coming back into this room. Pretty good view from behind the bar. You can see both TVs from any seat. This TV will be mounted higher. Have the mount for it, just haven't had the time. Might get rid of this computer here and add a TV here as well. See if I can sneak that one by the wife. As for lighting here, I'm probably gonna do 2 rows of 3 pot lights. And also gonna do a tray ceiling all the way around. It's like a perfect rectangle, this area. So do that, you'll be able to change the colors, LED strip in it, it'll be pretty neat. Like right now, this is just a rat's nest here. I gotta undo this joint just to turn off the lights. So need to put a switch in. I'll get around to it. That's all firewood. That's the old beams that I took out. So yeah, all the lighting down here is gonna be smart lighting. So you control it all from your phone. It's pretty awesome. I could probably make a separate video on explaining that. But you can dim from your phone, everything, shut them off, create a bunch of scenes, turn multiple lights on and off at the same time. So super convenient, super lazy, I guess, but it's awesome. But yeah, if you guys have any suggestions on what I should use for finishes on the bar or elsewhere, this is also going to be a feature wall. I'm thinking about splitting it in four areas. And this will be a hidden door, possibly. Yeah, any criticisms as well, I'd like to hear. I don't take that to heart. So, yeah, leave me a comment. Maybe I could do some, how-to videos. It would slow down the progress, but if I have enough interest in it, maybe it's worth doing. So, yeah, looking to hear from you guys, and we'll check you later.